If YouTube was actually about hard work, most people watching this video would have already become successful. There would be nothing like small channel, because in less than 1 month, a small channel can actually blow up. If YouTube was all about consistency alone, many people uploading videos every day, every single week, would have already started getting views. If YouTube was all about passion, a lot of talented creators would have already been monetized. But newsflash, that is not the reality. In this video, I'm going to be telling you what YouTube really is, what YouTube really wants, how you can actually grow on YouTube the right way, how you can actually start getting your 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch time hours very fast, without guessing, without following the normal talk of upload every day. I think it's high time we realize that YouTube is not all about effort. In other words, YouTube does not reward effort. What it rewards is alignment. Most people are not even failing on YouTube because they are bad creators. I've come across a lot of good videos, but these videos are not even getting views, and it's so painful. You see someone with a clear editing. I'm also talking to myself right now. I take time to edit my videos. I take time to edit my thumbnail. It is actually what I've learned that I'm teaching on this channel right now. But even at that, I am still not where I want to get to, right? So that is to tell you that YouTube is not just about hard work. It does not just reward hard work. You need to get it right. And until you get it right, you may just keep on guessing and remain at the same spot. People are not failing on YouTube because they are not good creators. They are failing because everything they are doing is simply not aligned. In this video, I'm going to be explaining YouTube to you, not as a platform, but as a system. And that is because until you understand the system, everything you're doing is simply going to feel like a guesswork. Now, let's talk about what YouTube is really doing, the system itself. You need to understand that YouTube has just one job and only one job. And that job is to keep people for as long as possible on their platform. YouTube is not trying to help anyone grow. YouTube is not interested in encouraging small creators. And get this fact, YouTube is not emotional, because if it is emotional, it is not going to watch people spend 6 years and still struggling to get monetized. I think at this point I should say YouTube is very selfish. And for you to actually satisfy a selfish person, you need to be strategic. You need to really understand their pain points. You need to really understand what it wants. And in this case, do you really understand what YouTube is? Do you really understand what YouTube wants? Are you not tired of jumping from one video to another, looking for how to get 1,000 subscribers in 24 hours, looking for how to get 4,000 watch time hours? Are you not tired of running on the surface? Are you not tired of just watching videos, and at the end of the day you try those strategies, it doesn't work for you? That is simply because you have not really sat down to understand the deep meaning of YouTube. You've not really sat down to understand what does YouTube really want. How do I really satisfy this selfish platform? Now, the first thing I need us to understand is that YouTube is a recommendation machine. Every time someone opens their phones, turn on their television or their laptop, and then logs into YouTube simply asks one silent question. And that question is, which video will I recommend to this person that will actually make this person to remain on our platform so that we can make more money? I don't know if this is making sense. So just look at your videos right now. Ask yourself, you are the creator of your video. You are the one that made that video. You are the one that uploaded it. You are the one that designed the thumbnail. Ask yourself, since YouTube is actually a business platform and it is only interested in giving people videos that will make them to stick to their channel to watch more adverts so that they can actually make money, ask yourself, is my video really what YouTube feels is actually okay for them to push to that person so that the person is going to stay long on their platform? Once your video is able to give answer to that silent question that YouTube is asking, YouTube will simply recommend your video very fast to that person, and you are in turn going to be rewarded with more views, more recommendations, more suggestions. And if your videos does not answer that question, you will keep on uploading for years and YouTube will simply ignore you. So this scenario is actually very simple. Before you make any video, ask yourself, what is the value in this video? Does this video actually has a current need it's about to solve? Are people currently searching for this video? Before you even made that video, what did you do before you make that video? Did you just wake up and then pick up your camera and start saying something and then post on YouTube? Or did you make your research? Is this video title currently in demand? Have I gone to Google search bar and then I type to see if people are actually searching for a topic like this? Have I gone to YouTube and type to see if people are actually searching for a video like this? Have I checked for other people in my niche and see if they actually have done something similar. Have I actually checked the number of views they are actually getting when they do something like this? These are silent questions you are supposed to ask yourself before you pick up your camera to make any video. All I'm saying right now is what I do. Before I come here to make any video, I simply ask. If you go back to my older video and then see the pattern I have been doing my video and the pattern I do it now, the way I've been crafting my thumbnail, the way I've been titling my videos, the way I've been doing everything, you're going to see a big difference. That is because I have known better. But if you go to my channel right now and count up to 9 videos I have done consistently, you might see that they are actually almost the same topic. It's either talking about 4,000 watch time hours or it's talking about 1,000 subscribers. And someone that doesn't even understand how these things work might come to my channel and they'll be like, is it only 1,000 subscribers and only 4,000 watch time hours that this lady is doing? I've actually asked myself this question when I never knew this thing I'm saying right now. There's actually a creator that I noticed that she was always talking about how to get 4,000 watch time hours, how to get 1,000 subscribers. And then when I saw that, when I went to her channel, I was like, it was almost like a turn off for me. I was asking myself, is it that this creator don't know anything to talk about? I never knew that was a strategy. That was actually that creator giving people what they want to see, solving a need, making videos about what is currently in demand. As a small channel, if it will take you to keep on repeating topic every week on your channel, please do that. As long as that is what people are currently searching, as long as that is an evergreen content, that is what people are currently typing. You know one thing about making videos about how to get 1,000 subscribers, how to get 4,000 watch time hours, how to grow on YouTube? These topics are what new YouTubers actually need every day. People are constantly creating YouTube channels every day. And immediately they create their YouTube channel from any niche they are coming from, they are going to Google, they are going to YouTube, they are searching for videos on how do I get my 4,000 watch time hours so that I can get monetized? How do I get my 1,000 subscribers so that I can actually get monetized? Give people what they want to hear. It's not about giving people what they want to hear. Give people value. When small channels type how to get 4,000 watch time hours, YouTube should be able to see videos like that on your channel and recommend it to people. A lot of people are struggling today because of all the videos on their channel are not solving a current need. It is not answering a current question. It is not profiling any solution. And that is why you can have up to many videos on your channel and it is not addressing any need. I'm sorry this video is going to be very long, but please follow me, because I have a lot of things to say. All these things I'm saying now are things I've taken time to learn over the years. I've been on YouTube since 2020. I've been creating content on YouTube since 2020. This is not my first channel. I can tell you for free that since 2020 that I've been creating content on YouTube. I had years where I made mistake, but now I think I'm operating on clarity, and that is why I opened this channel, to teach people what I know, to teach people what YouTube really is. And congratulations to you if you are meeting this video. I will implore you to watch this video to the very end, because at the end of this video, I am very sure that you're going to gain clarity. You start doing YouTube the right way, because you will already know what YouTube really wants and how to give it what it wants as well. Now I'm going to be giving you reasons why you are not getting views on your channel. Let me say this very clearly. A lot of people creating content on YouTube do not have a YouTube channel. Yes, I'm going to repeat it again. A lot of people creating content on YouTube do not have a YouTube channel. I'm going to explain. Now, what they simply have is, one, a video dump, where after they finish posting their videos, they dump it there. It is not a YouTube channel, it is a video dump. On that channel, they have random topics, random ideas, random uploads. They don't have a clear niche. They don't make research before posting their videos, making them to post random topics. They don't have a time where they upload videos. They don't even know that there's a place in their analytics where they can actually check when their audience are online and post exactly when their audience are online. All they do is once they finish making their video, they post it. They don't even know whether their audience are online. They don't understand that the first 2 hours of every upload on YouTube actually matters. YouTube uses the first 2 hours of your upload to determine if that video is going to do well. Once you upload your video, YouTube is going to push it to a smaller number of your subscribers within that 2 hours. And if within 2 hours, people actually watch that video very well, YouTube is going to extend it to more people. It's going to increase your impression. And once your impression click-through rate is actually looking good, that video is going to do so well. But what happens if you just upload without knowing when your viewers are online? How will you get views? You post without clarity. You don't have a clear niche. People don't know what you're doing on your channel. Today you're posting about motivation. Tomorrow you're posting about your vacation. The next day you're posting videos on cooking. The other day you're doing tutorial. Another day you're talking about something that is trending somewhere. The question is, what is your niche? What do you do on your channel? If somebody comes to your channel and they are not able to pinpoint and say, oh, this channel is actually doing this, they are not going to trust your channel. They will not come back to your channel. And that is why you don't get subscribers. A lot of small channels, even when they manage to get the views, still struggle with subscribers. They are getting viewers from all walks of life. People that are watching cooking videos are watching their videos. People that are watching motivational videos are watching their videos. People that are watching marathon videos are watching their videos. People that are coming to YouTube for farming are watching their videos. So when somebody that is interested in AI tutorial videos comes to your channel, and after watching that particular video on AI that you did, and then they decide to, okay, let me go through this person's channel and watch other AI videos. They check other of your videos and they're not even seeing any AI video. What they are seeing is other videos from all walks of life, different niches. How will they subscribe to your channel? See, the role of niche and personal branding on YouTube cannot be overemphasized. People only subscribe to channels that have a clear niche. People only subscribe to channels that have clarity. If your channel is still everywhere, it means you are confused. And trust me, the YouTube algorithm actually knows how to be confused. And people actually make the algorithm confused. If your channel do not have a clear niche, the algorithm is going to be confused. And because of the algorithm has a lot of channels it is operating on, it will not sit down and start waiting. It's not going to come to knock on your door and ask you, madam, what are you even doing? Oga, what are you even doing on your channel? It will not tell you, Oga, sit down in one place. It will simply quietly leave your channel, especially when it have tried several times to help you to even send your video to a particular place. But your videos are everywhere. People that actually succeed on YouTube, especially small creators that are blowing so fast, within 3 months, 2 months, are creators that chose a niche and stick to it. I understand that it is actually very hard if you're just starting on YouTube to pick a single niche and stick on it. There is this temptation for you to be everywhere. When something is trending, you want to talk about it. When there's a trending gist, you want to talk about it because you know that things that are trending can actually give you view. Now, staying on a clear niche may not actually make you blow up very fast, but it will help the algorithm to understand your channel faster. And when you finally blow up, you're going to blow up with the right audience. You're going to blow up with purpose. You're going to blow up with direction. So please, no matter how long it will take you, build your niche. Teach people one thing. And if you're picking any niche on YouTube, I know that this video is everywhere already. I'm saying so many things. I'm talking about niche. I'm talking about different topics in just one video. And that is why this video is actually going to be very long. Before you even pick a niche, ensure the niche you're picking actually has value. Ensure people are constantly searching for that niche every day. Ensure the niche has evergreen content, so that in years, even when you don't post videos, the videos you have on your channel will still be getting new views. And when you finally get monetized, it will still be creating money for you. Please pick a niche. A niche is not just a topic. It is a promise that you are actually here for a certain group of people. When you pick a niche, you're actually telling YouTube that these are the kind of people I serve and this is what I want to help them with. If you don't have a niche, you're simply telling YouTube that you should show your video to everybody. And once you tell YouTube to show your video to everybody, it will simply go silent. It will ignore you. And this is why many people do not get impression. People do not get to see their videos. Not because they are bad creators, not because their videos are bad, but because they have failed in the aspect of choosing a niche and sticking to it. Now, let me expose something very, very important about why your videos are not getting views. You need to understand that before the views come, people have to see it. Yes, before views is impression. Impression is the people that sees your video. So people need to see your video first. And the question is, how do you make people see your video? How do you encourage YouTube to recommend your video so that people can see it? You need to first of all make YouTube to understand what your video is all about. Because if YouTube does not understand your channel, you will not get impression. You will not get views. And YouTube understands your channel based on your title, your thumbnail, your niche, and consistency in topic. If these things are confusing, the algorithm will simply leave you behind. It's not going to leave you behind permanently. It will simply leave you until you fix it. Your thumbnail and title is the most important thing you need. Forget about every strategy. Forget about everything I've just said. Even if you pick the right niche, you understand everything that YouTube wants, you edit your videos very well, and your thumbnail is bad, your title is just generic, you've exposed everything in your video and your title, people will not click on your video. Your title needs to be emotionally appealing. It needs to be captivating. It needs to scream, click me. Your title needs to be different. We're even in a good era because YouTube is pushing every video, whether you're a small channel or you're a big channel. As long as your video actually hits a pain point, your thumbnail is good, your title is good, your description is actually very good. This video is actually very long. I think I'm going to stop here. If you've watched to this extent, I need you to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell because I'm going to be doing a part 2. Okay, I'm going to do a part 2 where I'm actually going to explain more on how to design titles and thumbnails that will make people to stop scrolling, how to write description. See, your description is everything. Your SEO package is everything. I'm going to be diving full into SEO package because that is what you need for your video to even blow up. So congratulations if you've watched to this extent. I want you to drop at the comment section. Type at the comment section, say, Debbie, do the part 2 of this video, so that I can know you actually watch to this extent. And if I don't see comments like this in the comment section, I'm not going to do the part 2. And trust me, it's going to be power packed. So congratulations to you. Do well to type at the comment section. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video to this extent, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos like this, you're going to be notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.